Welcome to Lincrusta, the ultimate wall covering. Luxurious and extremely durable, with elegant designs that have stood the test of time. Made the same way today as it was over 100 years ago, Lincrusta's collection of wall coverings, friezes, dado panels and borders create a distinctive and unique look for any environment. When first invented in 1877 by Frederick Walton, Lincrusta quickly became renowned for its great strength as well as its beauty. Originally designed to have the look of ornate plasterwork, Lincrusta also has an extremely tough final finish, making it ideal for public buildings, hotels and other areas where resilience is as important as style. As well as commercial applications, Lincrusta can still be found in many of the finest homes, both old and new, all over the world. Its unique ingredients are combined to provide the ideal medium for heavily embossed patterns, and is still manufactured in a similar way to that used 125 years ago, but in a new purpose-built environment in the northwest of England. Lincrusta, tough, beautiful and versatile. It's easy to see why it's called the ultimate wall covering. Classic designs are reflected in the Lincrusta range, with Georgian styles, Victorian chic, Art Nouveau, Italian Renaissance, Gothic Revival and Art Deco. But if contemporary designs are what's needed, then there's a whole host of up-to-the-minute patterns and textures. Lincrusta can be overpainted in an infinite range of colours, all of which can be hand-finished to create individual designs. The current collection has a wide variety of designs with something for every taste. Lincrusta is the original relief decoration product, renowned for its quality looks and durability. Using these simple tips and techniques, it's easy to apply. Here the pattern is matched and the lengths cut to size, allowing a few inches at the top and bottom for trimming. The selvage is removed using a sharp knife and a straight edge. Then the edges are undercut. A little care must be taken here to avoid damage to the surface of the product. Some warm water is sponged onto the back of the Lincrusta. Then it's left to soak on a flat surface for 20 to 30 minutes. The sheets are best placed back to back to expand the material. After the soaking process, any excess water is removed and Lincrusta glue is applied. This is best done using a 3 to 4 inch brush, giving an even coating all over the back surface, paying particular attention to the edges. On the larger areas, a mohair roller can be used to spread the glue. The first length is hung keeping the straight edge to the top, smoothing down with a cloth pad or 4-inch rubber roller. At the bottom, both edges are marked, and a piece of board is placed behind the paper, which is then cut using a straight edge and sharp knife. When it comes to corners, Lincrusta will form around an outside radius, but it should be cut when the angles are sharp or internal so that the angles miter, as you can see here. The Lincrusta dado comes ready trimmed, so a horizontal line is drawn on the wall at the height of the dado panel above the skirting, and the panels are applied using the same method as before. When decorating stairways, dado panels are cut in half vertically. A triangular piece of the panel is trimmed from the bottom and is applied at the top. This process is repeated all the way to the top of the staircase. After 24 hours and a wipe with a suitable solvent to decrease the product, the Lincrusta is ready for painting. Oil-based paints are best, but a water-based system can be used if a sealing coat of acrylic primer undercoat or emulsion water-based eggshell is applied first. As well as painting, many different effects can be created, including wood grain effects using a scumble technique. One of the unique features of Lincrusta is that it can be painted in a wide variety of styles. Here, the scumble technique mentioned earlier is being used. Paint is applied and removed with a soft cloth to highlight the rich relief. Beautiful and tough, Lincrusta. Lincrusta is formed when a putty-like substance is applied to a paper backing and then embossed to give a beautifully detailed and rich relief. The process hasn't changed significantly in 130 years, with the exception of mechanization. Once mixed, it's manipulated and then rolled. Getting the correct thickness is important before the material passes through the emboss roller where the heavy relief pattern is made. The product remains flexible and it is cut and cured before packaging. For decoration professionals, there is professional training available covering all aspects of Lincrusta application. Lincrusta.